Yo-ho! Welcome back to another merry episode of Jingle All the Way with Miss Truda, the podcast that adds a sprinkle of festive magic to your holiday season. I'm your host, Miss Truda, your bilingual parent coach, and today we are diving deep into the world of Christmas crackers. Get ready to unwrap the secrets behind these meaningful holiday treasures. Alrighty, let's talk about the little history first of Christmas crackers. Fun fact, did you know these little wonders have a heritage dating all the way back to the 19th century? They were first created by a very clever folk named Tom Smith, who was inspired by the crackling sound of a log fire. Yeah, log fire, I know. And this Tom really wanted to capture that same sense of joy and surprise in a festive package. And here we go, our Christmas cracker was born.
Yo ho ho!
Now, let's move on to the significance of Christmas crackers. Beyond their decorative outside charm, these crackers hold a very deep meaning. They symbolize the joy of togetherness, the anticipation of shared laughter, and the celebration of cherished moments with loved ones. So when you place them on the table, you're not just decorating it. You are actually adding that extra magic and happiness to your holiday gatherings. They are one of your little secrets to your merry Christmas.
Ho 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 ho!
But wait everyone, there is more to it. The true significance of Christmas crackers lies in their ability to bring joy to the table. They create moments of pure delight and help us savor the very best moments of the year with our families once again.
Yo ho ho!
Yes, I know you'll be asking, hey, I just got my Christmas crackers from a supermarket, so how can I make it really personalized and then share the best joy of the year with my family again? Well, I am here to tell you, you can actually create your very own Christmas crackers. Imagine this, you're making your own Christmas cracker, and you're writing your little piece of memory, the best memory, not just any memory, but the best memory that you really want to share with your family of the year. You put it in, and then you seal it. That's just like your little time capsule. Yes, exactly. It's just like encapsulating the essence of the magic in a little delightful surprise. Alrighty, now you get the idea. So you might be very curious about how to make your own. Okay, easy peasy, just some very simple steps, then you can create your own in like literally 1 minute. Okay, it's a lot easier than you think. So you have to gather some materials, some wrapping paper in festive designs for sure, and some cardboard tubes. If you're lucky enough, you can even get some cracker snaps for that satisfying pop. Well, my experience is that I had to order them from Amazon UK, but if you're lucky enough, you might be able to find it at your local store, so yeah, just give it a go. Anyway, if you really want that satisfying pop, you really have to buy some crackers. Then you need some glue to keep everything secured in place. And just grab some scissors and ribbons to tie everything up. But you have to put some really good chocolates inside. They have to be really good chocolates, not just some random crappy chocolates where you just right? Do you? No. Okay, just some good chocolates, okay?
Yo ho ho!
Once you have your materials ready, great, then you can just click the link below and I'm attaching a very good tutorial for you. You just have to follow the steps and you will have your very own Christmas cracker in literally just 1 minute, okay? Well, if you are not that crafty, then you might need another 9 minutes or something, but don't worry, you know, everything will be so worth it.
Ho 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 ho!
So there you have it, my friends, your very own homemade Christmas crackers filled with love, joy, and cherished moments. Honestly, what's better than this? Okay, so go ahead, get creative, and let the joy of holiday season unfold with every pop of a cracker. Once again, thank you for joining me on this very festive journey. I hope you have enjoyed this episode of Jingle All the Way with Miss Truda. Remember, everyone, The true spirit of the holidays lies in the joy we create and share as a family. So go on, everyone, spread our holiday cheer and keep on crafting. Everyone, please stay tuned for more merry episodes as we continue to explore the wonders of the holiday season. Until next time, keep jingling all the way.